Hello guys, I am Zasari, and as you can see behind me, I fucked up.
As you can see, 2 months ago, I crashed my father's car. I know it's old, but I also know how much my dad care. So today, I'm gonna rebuild it. What do you think? And also click that subscribe button because I want to reach 1,000 subscribers for the end of the month. So let's pop out the hood. It's difficult. Okay, first thing first, we started removing the front bumper. It was more than easy. Okay, then we move to the fender. Then we move to the arch. Let's only say that the arch was a little bit loose. So after the windshield, my friends decided to put the mirror back
Buonanotte.
with no success. And this is the car after the first day of the work.
Okay guys, so as you can see around me, I have already picked up at the local junkyard a lot of pieces. The dashboard, the door, the fender, and all the mechanic stuff. So as you can see, I'm missing some pieces like the rims. I did the rims, a new set of tires.
The next day.
So today is the day. So I'm gonna go pick up a real mechanic to help me. Okay, then as you can see, I used my father's forklift to go pick up all the pieces and take it to my uncle's house. I don't know if it is legal, but I drove it down the road. So now the car is working. The brakes not so much. So we need to stop like this. We are gonna take that to a proper shop. So guys, if you have come so far in this video, please click that subscribe button right now and stay until the end to see my father's reaction and also all the things that didn't go according to
So why the car does not start?
Now I am going to disassemble it and take the sway bar to the shop where the car is. So first thing first, I'm gonna unplug this cable. So we don't need the shocks
at the apps, so I'm gonna hammer it. Okay. So we have to paint all the pieces. We have to replace the airbag. Let's do this. So guys, as you can see, the i3 is back with all the mechanic changed. The new blockage, new axle. Okay guys, so then we proceed removing the door. It was not quite easy as we expected.
Non pigliare, se ti devi capire questa cosa. No, oh, c'è tutto fatto a posto. No.
Door officially off.
So then we test fitted the fender. And also we discovered something not so good. So then we try fix the damage all the night, but with no success. So for the moment we decided to move out. But now I was determined to finish this project. I had to do it for my dad. He has done a lot for me and I want to pay him off. So the next day I started taking the center console apart. I'm sorry guys, but I don't know why the video files are corrupted, so this is the car without the dash. So then we had to remove the center console in order to change the airbag control module. So out with the old and with the new. So then we came up with an idea. So we cut it and then we hammer it. Then I call a friend to help me out installing and align the new door. Then we had another big problem to solve. Remember the cable I took off before? Yes, that. Well, we discovered that it cut from the start of the electrical system around here. So it was a big pain to rewire. But after some hours of work we managed to do it. So now it was time to replace the center console. So I started swapping all the vents. Then I cleaned the new one.
Never ever find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right.
We also had to solder it because it was cracked.
I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Then we proceed to assemble all the stuff around.
That it feels right. Feels right. So right. So right. So right.
Then we put it in place.
Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hell.
After screwing the center console, we plugged in the stereo and the AC.
Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
And for last but not least, we screw the rest of the pieces in.
It feels right. It feels right.
Ora mettiamo una tastiera su.
Okay guys, so I think it is enough for this video. We have done so much, so now we are gonna do some math and we are gonna continue in the next video. So follow me to be aware when the next video come out. So now we are gonna do some math. Okay guys, so how much I have spent so far? So first thing first, I have bought all the mechanical parts plus the fender and the door for 650 euros. So I have paid the mechanic $150 for the labor. So it brings for now the total cost at 800 euros. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Click that subscribe button and let's see the next week with the part 2. Stay tuned.